Facebook account recovery without email and phone number. So if you want to recover your Facebook account without email and phone number, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Facebook. Once you open up your Facebook, now go and log into an account. I'll be choosing a random account. Go with search, which is on the upper right, and search for a person. Once you've searched, you need to go with the right side, which has that three dots, and copy the link. Once you copy the link of the profile that you would like to recover, you just need to simply open up your browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. And once you're under your browser, now you need to go with search. Under search, you need to search for find your Facebook ID. And then you need to go with a website, any website that you're comfortable with. And then you need to paste the Facebook link that you've just copied, and then go with lookup. Once you go with lookup, you'll be able to have the numeric ID, which is right here. You just need to simply copy the ID, tap on copy. Once you've copied, you need to go with facebook.com and go with login or sign up page. You'll have this kind of interface where you just need to simply go with the email or phone number, and here you need to enter the ID that you've just copied. But if you're facing a problem even with the ID, then you can simply go with the help, which is right here. Tap on help. Once you tap on help, now you need to go with login and password. Once you tap on it, now go with an option of hacked. Tap on hacked. Once you tap on hacked, now you need to scroll down and go with I think my Facebook page was hacked or taken over by someone else. And after that, you will have visit this page to secure it. Tap on that and it will take you to this kind of page where you can go with my account is compromised. And it will take you to this kind of page where you just need to simply enter the mobile number or the email address. So I'll be just entering the email address and then go with continue. And if you want to recover this account, then you just need to simply go with recover, which is on the bottom right. And you'll get this kind of interface. Go with back to login and then enter your current password or your old password. So I'll be choosing my old password and then go with continue. And after that, you'll recover your account. So you just need to simply enter the characters that you see right here and then go with continue. And that's it. You can choose a reason or you can just simply reload your page and you'll be logged in. You can go with get started to secure your account. And that's it. That's how you can recover your Facebook account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.